So in this Zumper tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find one bedroom apartments for rent here on Zumper. So once Zumper is opened up, I want you to go ahead and type in your location, and I'll just mix it up for this video, and I will use Los Angeles, California. So once you have your area selected, I want you to go to the top left to where it says beds/bath. Press on that to get a drop down. Then under bedrooms, make sure that one is selected and then press on view results. So now what your search is going to be doing is refining itself to listings that are only considered one bedroom apartments for rent. So this is very simple and very straightforward, but that is how to find one bedroom apartments for rent here on Zumper. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.